Contractor specializing in the installation and construction of Porcelain pedestal systems and raised flooring solutions. MP Plus specializes in the installation and construction of Porcelain pedestal systems, providing high-quality raised flooring solutions for residential and commercial projects. With completed projects in various countries, we bring international expertise and ensure that each installation meets the highest standards. Whether you're looking to install a rooftop deck, terrace, or outdoor flooring, our Porcelain systems offer flexibility, durability, and efficient drainage solutions, while also concealing utilities for a sleek finish. Benefits of Porcelain pedestal systems. Flexible installation, adapts to uneven surfaces and ensures effective water drainage. Durability, designed for indoor and outdoor projects, withstanding heavy loads and harsh weather. Aesthetic and practical, conceals wiring and utilities, providing a clean and professional look. We offer a complete range of services, including base preparation, pedestal installation, and floor covering to deliver high-quality results. Contact us today for a consultation and free estimate.